Welcome to another video on the channel. In this particular video, we'll learn how we can use a .env file to hide secrets like OpenAI API key in this particular case. So what we have been following up until now is we've been using the OpenAI API key directly into our notebook, right? We've been hard coding it. The issue with that is if you upload this file to GitHub or if you commit this code to GitHub, then anyone can see your API key, right? Even if you accidentally do it, anyone can see your API key and they can use up all of your credits, right? Uh, so to avoid that, what we'll do is first thing, if you'll see in this notebook, what I've done is I've imported OpenAI like we have done in past. I've imported OS as well since we'll be using a system parameter here, right? Environment variable. And you'll see a new package here, .env. So I'll show you how I've installed this. If I go to my second prompt here, so in the terminal, if you see, I've typed in pip install python-env. So that's it. If you run this, you should have the latest version of python-env. For me, it is installed here. The latest version is 1.0.1, right? Once you've installed this, then you run loadenv find.env. What it does is, in your current working directory, it tries to find a .env file. What do I mean by .env file? If I do ls in my current directory, which is projects, you can see a .env file. So this has just an extension, right? .env. It will try to fetch that particular env file. It will and then look for variables that you have defined in that particular env file. In that particular case, if I do a cat on this env file, you'll see OpenAI API key is equals to this. This is the variable that I've defined. So this particular statement will load up that variable as a system environment variable for that particular notebook session, right? So if I try to do os.environment.get, which is used for fetching system environment variables, I can fetch OpenAI API key as well, right? And where does this OpenAI API key comes from? This is the name of the variable that I gave in this .env file. Now, once we fetch this, this will get replaced with the API key that I've defined in the .env file at runtime, and it will be replaced here. So your secrets won't get leaked. You can go ahead and commit this file into GitHub, and that's it. So if you find this useful, please click on subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.